Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you activating digital gift cards and rewards through your online bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to activate digital gift cards and rewards through your online bank, for example, you want to activate on your Wells Fargo, then first thing is to simply head over and open up your Wells Fargo application and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do here is simply from the home screen tap on the credit card, and then once that's done, here you'll find an option that says rewards. Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside the rewards section, under rewards or credit card rewards, you'll find an option that says redeem rewards. Simply select that, and once you're inside there, here you'll find an option that says gift cards. Simply select the gift cards option and pick a store from Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and etc. Then once that's done, simply confirm and active your selected gift card by choosing the amount and then tapping on the redeem or confirm button. And once that's done, your digital gift card activates instantly and it appears on screen or is sent to your email. Now if you are doing it for the Chase Bank, then what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Chase Bank application, and then be sure to be logged into your account using Face ID, fingerprint, or password. Then from the home screen, what you need to do is tap the credit card that earns rewards, and then once that's done, here what you need to do is tap on rewards or look for rewards, ultimate rewards, or redeem rewards. In the Chase case, you'll have the freedom option. Simply select that. Now once that's done, inside you'll find ultimate rewards. Under it you'll find redeem rewards. Simply select that. Now once you're inside the redeem rewards section, simply tap on the gift card option on the top, and here what you need to do now is browse through the available brands like Amazon, Apple, Walmart, Starbucks, etc. Then pick a digital gift card. Then once that's done, simply tap on next on the bottom. Now here, what you need to do is choose the brand and select the amount. And once you have selected the amount, all you gotta do is confirm and activate it. Simply tap on the confirm option on the bottom of your screen or redeem, and your digital gift card activates instantly. You'll see gift card number, PIN if required, and barcode. Now if you are using it from your Bank of America app, then what you need to do is simply head over and open up the Bank of America application and simply log into your account. Then once logged in, here what you need to do is select your credit card from the home screen. Simply tap on the credit card that earns rewards. Then once that's done, here what you need to do is simply tap on the redeem rewards option. And once you tap on the redeem rewards option, you'll find an option that says gift cards. Simply select that, and now inside, here what you need to do is choose the store and select the amount, for example $25 or $50. Then once done, simply tap on next on the bottom, and then here what you need to do is simply confirm and activate, review your choice, and then once reviewed, simply tap on confirm or redeem, and your digital gift card activates immediately. You'll see the gift card number and barcode on the screen by email. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.